So we're chugging right along on the Bulldozer. Got, we can see what we're doing. Still got a lot of work to do. This is just mocked up here for that opening shot. But so kind of where we're at with it is I've got the engine details completed. Get that out of there. Oh, there we go. Got the engine details. Well, it's 98% there. I've got just a little bit more I want to do to the engine to kind of bring it to completion. Still got a lot of weathering to do. I've got the blade assembly pretty well finished. I like the rust effect I've got on the hair. I just need to tie this together just a little bit more on this side. The weathering I put on the running gear here. I'm really happy with that on this side. However, this side did not turn out quite as good, so we may have to revisit some of that. The tracks are assembled, but not have not been painted and weathered yet. So that's actually next on the agenda. That's what's going to be in most of this video is the tracks, which are stuck together. Where's my gap point there? There we go. Yeah. Okay. So, yeah, we're going to paint and weather the tracks. These should be pretty straightforward. I like the way they snap together. So it wasn't like a rubber one-piece track. So these should have should weather up nicely. So let's get set up and get started on that. I want it to go on very thin and even. So yeah, we're there. Quick, simple stir stick. I keep using it. It's just a piece of sprue that I've flattened out on the ends. Works great. I'm liking that so far. Still got a little more to do. Kind of finished bringing it all together. But I want to do a test fit before I go any further. So let's see. Still got some, yeah, definitely got more to do there to tie that all together. Yeah. Okay. I'm going to do a little dry brushing with some Vallejo Met Weathering Rust Texture. Too much. New. Okay, that's good. Yeah. I like that. Okay. I'm gonna call the tracks done. So, yeah. So we went with body rust, augmented with some brown and orange. And then went over with a wash of Vallejo oxide, and then ended up with some dry brushing of Vallejo rust texture. And I think it's a pretty decent result there. I'm liking that. Okay. Thanks for joining. More to come. Cool.